Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. Today is September 26th, about 11:45, 85 degrees or so, but I am perspiring. I'm down at the Circa to give an update. Remember, this place will have a grand opening on October 28th, 2020, less than or about 1 month away. Let's check out their progress, all right? Let's go. Now this C was recently installed, but it looks like there's a break on the at the curve of it, the corner curve. Sounds weird, right? There's probably an actual name for that corner of a capital C. Anyway, but it's busted. Wonder what happened. Or it's under repair, or it's just not completed yet. Oh well, looks good. Now, if we can see inside here, I don't know if we can out or not, but there is a what looks to be a permanently attached food truck to the building, which I believe will be the barbecue truck, which is outside on the experience, which will have a permanent home attached to the Circa. All right. And there's an opening. Now on October 28th, which is the grand opening, they will have the first 5 floors open. That's the restaurants, the casino, and the pool area. So it's going to be packed. I imagine it will be packed. John, the bridge to Garage Mahal is looking pretty good. You got a valet sign right there, and then self-park. Let's zoom in on that. There's the valet sign right there, and then you go across, and there is the self-park. Now this bridge is air-conditioned, so you won't sweat too much as you are exiting or entering the casino. All right, and here is Garage Mahal. I'll get a better shot of the sign in a minute, but this baby will hold approximately 1,000 cars. I always said 1,200 before, then I read like 990 something, I think, so let's call it 1,000 cars, all right? Or 1,000 vehicles. Got your brand new signs up there, and you got parking. Wait a minute. Parking, valet, and ride share. There's your Uber, Lyfts, and so ons. There we go. That's a better shot. I believe the garage is 9 stories tall, I believe. Yeah, we cannot forget the California Hotel, which looks really dinky compared to the Circa, you know? But the California Hotel is a very interesting place. Apparently a lot of Hawaiians stay in this hotel, so there's that. It's looking good, yay? Looking really good. All right. So this 777 room hotel, now when it first opens, and the hotels are coming online at the end of December, I believe I believe 550 or so rooms will come online first, and the rest will come online later. There we go. Let's just lean over here. And this color, I mentioned on a vlog a few times back, someone said this color is called Vegas Gold or Las Vegas Gold. I like the term Vegas Gold better. Here's a better shot of the Garage Mahal. There we go. See that? Looking good. Wow, hey guys, see, I got a mask. So, like I said, it opens up on October 28th for the grand opening. And I saw someone on Twitter had a picture of a golden ticket, I guess for entrance into the big party. I didn't get invited. Derek, I'm sad. I made a million videos about your new hotel and you couldn't even send me a ticket, a golden ticket. I know life is unfair, but give me a break, all right? Give me a break. All right, so, like I said, place is looking good, looking sharp. Let's keep on going. All right. This is the north-facing side of the building. And once again, this jutting exuberance, what do you want to call it? And once again, this diagonal, that's the escalator going up to the 5th floor. Now, presumably, it's not the only way to go to the 5th floor, but it could be, but I doubt it. Maybe it is. There may be an elevator on the inside. Okay, all right. But it is looking really good, and they only have, you know, less than a month, about a month, to get it ready for the 28th, and it should be quite exciting. Quite exciting. And as always, outhouses are available for the workers. Okay, and there is the main entrance to the Circa from the Fremont Street Experience. It's right across from this guy whose name I just forgot. Cowboy Pete, okay, whatever, anyway. Across from him, all right? Very good. So I told the guy at Project Barbecue, he did confirm that little jutting food truck looking thing that's attached to the Circa, they will be moving over there. As you can see, the building rises up, just next to the canopy, all right? Just next to the canopy. All right, you guys, I think that will do it for today for my little Circa walk around. I'm using an old camera today, trying to see if it still works pretty good or not, or so-so. Hopefully the images will come out okay. This camera has no stabilization, so I really can't walk around too much. It'll be too herky-jerky, all right? All right, and that'll be the new food truck location, right there. The plaza, this stage, the food truck across from the Golden Gate Bar, across from the Golden Gate outside bar. All right. Looking pretty good. Hopefully, October 28th, the grand opening, no problems, no issues, everybody's happy, everyone has a good time. And let's hope I get a golden ticket. All right, you guys, the old man, this is the old man, it's your old friend, OneManOneCamera. Same, see me outside, say hello, I say hello back, take care, wherever you are, have a great day.